Yes.
Okay, we're here directly from Lund in the Qlik office. Here is Igor Alcantara,
Mark Costa.
Suresh, yeah, and we're here to talk about the MVP program.
Yep.
Yeah. So, Suresh, introduce yourself, please.
Okay, thanks everyone for inviting me here. This is the first time I'm coming into Qlik Meet, so I'm super excited and I came with the excitement and I'm facing that excitement here as well. So first of all, I got invite for this MVP. This is the first time I think Qlik is inviting for MVP people. So I'm excited. It's been almost 5 years. I'm continuously MVP for Qlik. So I started my journey with the Qlik around 2015 around. So I started a community. So when I started when I started this technology working, I don't know anybody, so what to work and all. So I'm facing issues with the work. So when I search in the Google, the first page I got Qlik Community. So if I'm facing any issue or something, if I want to search anything, so for example, I want to see some set analysis expression for total sales. So if I search in the Google, I'll get a community. All the time I can see Qlik Community. So then after I realized, okay, something is there to help somebody is there. So I registered, and when I open, I want to register. You need to post some question, means you need to register that. So then I started register that, and I started the keep on. First I'm asking the question because I'm the learner that time in the 10 years back. So I was keep on posting the question, I am getting answers and I am very interested. So the beginning of my career, so I used to open my community in my mobile around night 1 o'clock 2 o'clock. I wanted to see who reply to my question, I got the correct answer or not. So that time we have a point option. So that time it is very interesting actually. Whenever we post a question correct answer, we get 10 marks kind. So if you get a 2 marks kind thing, that time it was very interesting. So that's how I started my Qlik community journey. So it's been almost 6 years. After 60 years effort, I used to when I completely learn, not completely, so when I learn technology, so I started replying instead of posting the question. So I try to help someone. So I'm here to help someone. So instead of we don't get anything, but we will share the knowledge and we will improve ourselves. And so in our organization, what we will do is, if we have one project we are working, so till that entire project you need to work on that particular specific objects. If you have 10 list boxes, one bar chart, line chart, and this straight table, so that project only we will get the requirement. Only that 5 objects we will work in our current project. So we cannot know other upcoming the features or something, we cannot know, because we need to work on that particular area, the particular dashboard throughout that project. So I thought I'm not learning anything in the project. So then I moved to a Qlik community, where I used to get more information and more updates from Qlik community. And I used to learn, I used to create articles, I used to learn the articles, and I used to follow the people who is already is the legends and then partner ambassadors or luminaries who they are posting. So all those posts I used to read, and I also prepared some documents and all. So I used to share that information in my current project also. Whenever we get an update on particular object or something, we can try to improve this, and we can make these changes in our application to the customers, and it will be helpful for them. So that's how I learn and share the knowledge. So why community is important means, so for example, I am the first person to start my project. I don't know anything, nobody is there, so only I have myself and the community is there. So that time you can search, you don't need to post anyone, you don't need to ask anyone, you can just search what is there. We have lot of articles in that existing, so we no need to ask anyone, and we can just search for the issue, whatever the issue you are facing. You can see a number of examples in that. So you can based on that you can improve your skills, and you can upgrade yourself and learn more. Now AI is also coming, so that is also very interesting in that community point of view.
Yes, and that's the purpose of the community, to share, to give and share,
learn.
Every time you share, you learn more. And sometimes, even if I don't know well a subject, I just post something about it. I say someone, you talk something about it, and then I start learning about this specific topic. So that's one of the last ones that I did. So I'm not a big expert on reporting. Then we had this internal thing, optimizing a reporting process. Then I published something about it. I say, okay, maybe someone you just, hey, you should do this and that. You make it even better. So Yeah, sharing is always a
one more better and important thing is, so the Qlik only technology, I feel we can do solutions from script point of view, chart point of view. You can do expression level, you can do chart level, you can do script level, you can do database level, ETL level, everything you can do. So for example, I am expert in the database, I'll do the solution in database. I'll give, you can use this SQL query in the script part and you can get the solution. If you are chart level expert, you can give chart expression. If you give expression level, you will do expression level. So this is multiple way of solutions, so that their performance also will improve by using. So for example, if you have 100 lines of expression in UI, so somebody came and told you should not use this 100 lines in the UI. You can use this simple SQL query in the backend to improve your performance and the chart performance as well. So that's how we will get more solutions and different way of solutions we used to get from community. So that's where I like more actually. So I wanted to listen or hear or watch more different kind of solutions that will help us to improve our performance and all actually.
That's right. Yes.
And most important is the Qlik goodies. So when I joined, when I selected as MVP, so this for 4th or 5th year, I'm getting the goodies. That's Qlik t-shirt. This I got from.
Nice, right?
So I love more this actually. So I can showcase at my office or my home or my friends. So when I keep any status in WhatsApp, people are asking I want. So actually in my office, in Zoom meeting, I have my Qlik photo only. I wear a Qlik t-shirt and I put the DP. So people are asking I want that t-shirt, means it's not it's not purchased. It is end. So I told them directly, it's not, you cannot buy, you can end.
That's right. Even my boss, when they saw me wearing this one, they how'd you get this one? Come on.
You must earn it.
So we are in the position. So I felt very happy, I'm very young. From India, I'm the only person I came here. So,
got it, yes.
So I'm very happy and pretty much. So in mid of some of 3-4 years back, so I was about to work on other BI tools like Power BI and Tableau, but I'm not really interested to that. Yeah, due to that, I'm more addicted to Qlik, and it's been 10 years. Means it's not a small journey. It's very long association with Qlik. So I don't want to be moved to other technology, and I requested my manager and asked you I wanted to do with Qlik only. Then 2-3 months I worked with Power BI, and again I came back to Qlik. Now I'm working with the Qlik.
That's amazing. Yes. Yeah, it's interesting the way that how you can solve different problems using different layers, right? I'm usually the guy from the back end. So if I have a question at the chart level, I just do on the back end, like solving the load script, then your charts will be easier to manage.
Right.
But sometimes there are a few features in the UI that you can do just a small command, and you don't need to do a lot of things on the load script. So that happens a lot. I wrote a big question, an answer to support someone, and then some other MVP or someone else, just do some, whatever. Man, just have to delete the whole thing and give up. Okay, there, I give up. So,
but actually, it is interesting how Mark mentioned. Sometimes you helping someone answering a question in the community, but you're also learning a lot. Even because sometimes in order to answer a question, you need to understand the problem a little bit better. You need to do some research, and that helps you. And it was one of the benefits of being more engaged in the community they give us. But the goodies that they send to the MVPs are also good. But I think also I truly believe in the sense of community, in the sense of of giving back. So I started my journey in Qlik around 21 years ago. And a lot of people helped me along the way because at the beginning, I was programming a GBA. When I look at the data model in Qlik, I said, oh, this is so wrong because...
It doesn't make sense.
Yeah, it doesn't make sense because I had a different mentality. Then I realized, this is actually beautiful. And a lot of people helped me. And now I'm in a position to help more people. So I decided, it's kind of a duty that I should do. And I encourage everyone who works with Qlik, even if you're an end user, if you're a developer, if you work data integration or AI or any part of the product, to be more present or engaged, even if you don't have questions. Qlik Community is not a place where you go when you have questions. Sometimes you learn from other people's questions. Sometimes, and there's also like articles that people publish, blog posts, and there's other things. So I think it's a great place to learn, to engage with other people in the community, and be better.
And it's great the way that Qlik is recognizing
Yes, that's
the MVPs, right?
Right.
So like people like us can come here
Come
and
and
visit,
meet the
be part of
legends
this.
and,
So this is amazing, right?
Yeah, right.
Yes.
So, and one more thing is we can see the leaderboard. So that is interesting actually. So whenever I see, I want to be the top. So I used to give more replies to get a likes or solutions so that I will be in top.
Yes.
Weekly I can see every time Mark is on top weekly leaderboard. Due to my personal work or family other works, I used to be if I get that week is busy I will be at the last. He will be always in the top. So this week I should be in top. I thought
I think this is my position. I think I'm the last.
Yeah, this week I'll be behind.
Yeah, this week we are always
behind.
Yes. But then next week, maybe in 2 weeks, I'll just.
I'll see that.
Yes, but that's great.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, great. So I think as a final message, everyone who you work with Qlik, go to community.qlik.com. Make sure to engage. Put as a bookmark in your browser and go there.
Yes.
Every day just to check it out.
And also, maybe it's a good opportunity to talk about the Qlik Meetup. Also, if you join a Meetup group, it's also great. So if you don't find any Meetup group in your city, you can always open one. We can support you to open a Qlik Meetup group. So you have Qlik Community, Qlik Meetup. So join one group or more. Create your own if there's no one in your city. So stay connected.
Meetup.com/pro/Qlik. You can find all of the Meetup groups worldwide.
Yes.
Yeah.
All right.
All right. Yeah. That's it.
Good.
Thank you.
Thank you.